friends, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. It's that time of the month again when we're talking stamps in the mail. This month in August, we're releasing it early because we have a brand new bundle. It's called Blended Seasons Stamp Set, along with these awesome coordinating framelits. And it's a special bundle that Stampin' Up! Released just for the month of August, or until it's sold out. So I didn't want to wait till the 5th to have you start ordering it. I wanted to give you the opportunity right away today on the 1st. It'll be available through August or while supplies last. I'm a little worried about these running out, so make sure you get this bundle soon. Okay, remember you save 10% on a bundle. And when you use my special Stamps in the Mail host code, you're going to get a free card kit to make 6 cards. We're making these 3 designs. You'll get enough supplies all pre-cut for you to make 2 of each. So we have a summer card, we have this beautiful fall card, and yep, we're even talking Christmas this month. So you'll get all the supplies along with a video and a step-by-step tutorial for these, along with 20 or more other tutorials, all using these products. I'm going a little crazy this month with tutorials. I've teamed up with a few friends to help provide them, and we've got so many stamping ideas with us. You are going to use the stamp set a lot. You know, it makes me really sad when I hear that people buy stamp sets and don't use them. So I want to make sure that you use it because you have so many ideas. So make sure you check out the Stamps in the Mail host code when you place your order between the 1st and the 10th, and you're going to get all of that totally free from me, my gift to you. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask, but hurry, order your bundle before it runs out, and don't forget that host code because I would love to send you all those free goodies. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to answer all those questions and help you in any way I can. So I look forward to stamping with you in the mail. Have a stamp happy day, guys. Talk to you later.